Hey you guys, I'm back with my finished touches on my dinner. I'm going to make this corn muffin mix, honey. When you pour it in the box, you see all the lumps and stuff. You got to make sure you get all of those lumps out of there. So, you got to break them up, you guys. You don't want no lumps in there. And your corn muffin mix. So, how's your day going so far? Going pretty good over here. So just break up the lumps. I can smell like some honey in here. It don't smell like the other one. This is my first time trying this one, you guys. I just wanted to try something different. Okay. Ouch. Okay. That's about as far as I'm going to take it. Okay. Mostly all the crumbs is out. Okay. I'm going to add my egg. Okay, add my 1 egg in here. Add a 1/3 cup of milk. Depend on the consistency you like it. And just give it a whirl until everything is incorporated. And this will be the last thing that goes in the oven. I'm going to use something that I can work a little bit better with. Okay. Yeah. More like my speed here. Make sure everything is incorporated at the side. Make sure all the lumps and stuff, but don't over mix your dough. Your batter. Okay, that should be enough. It's like thick consistency like that. That should be fine. Now I'm going to spray my pan with a little of this. Okay. Ooh. And get all the goodness out. I'm going to take my butter out the fridge and let it get soft and soft. When I cut into some of this cornbread, I'm going to add my butter, you guys. Alrighty. So that goes in the oven. Okay. Let me show you my chicken. Let me cut this light off. Maybe you can guys see it a little better. It's coming along, coming along. Okay. Oh, this boring day. To me, it's cloudy. The sun was out a little early, but it done went back in. So, gotta move this to the side to get my corn. Let me show you this first. There's my chicken. There's my chicken here. I put that smoked paprika on there to give it that barbecue look. And I put olive oil in there. So this got just a little bit more to cook. When you cook it, guys, to like falling off the bone. Look at that. So I got a few more minutes on my chicken. And this is my string beans and potatoes in here. Okay. So let me put this cornbread in here. Let me move this to the side. Okay. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, you guys, I'm back. There's that cornbread there. Just got it out the oven. I'm going to slather some butter on here. Yes, yes, yes. Put that good old Land O'Lakes, honey. Okay. So that's ready to roll. I'm going to leave the butter out, cut in the inside. Once I cut into it, these string beans done settle down a little bit. Yes, Lord. And this is my chicken over here. Okay. It'll fall off the bone. That's how I like it. It's like off the bone. Yeah, see? Okay, you guys. So, I thank you guys for watching me cook this little dinner. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye now.